Hello everyone. In this video I want to share my experience of opening my second Etsy shop after facing a suspension in early 2021. I'm here to share my journey for others who may be in a similar situation and are curious about the steps I took to open my shop. I'll also be sharing the sales I generated during the 2 weeks my shop was open with ads enabled. One of the key steps I took to get back on Etsy was establishing an LLC and opening a business bank account. You need a bank account in the same name as your business entity or else Etsy will not accept the application. To ensure a fresh start and avoid any associations with my previous account and identity, I took the necessary steps to change my IP address. I did this by disconnecting my Wi-Fi router for 24 hours and this proved to work. I began this process on June 1st and by June 11th I had an EIN number, which I had to provide to Etsy for tax purposes along with a new bank account with a checking and routing number. On June 16th, I finally re-entered Etsy with renewed determination. I integrated with Printful for seamless fulfillment through print on demand. In starting my shop, I had to weigh the pros and cons of a niche versus a general t-shirt shop. A niche shop offers the advantages of a targeted audience, less competition, expertise and authority, and the ability to create unique designs. However, it may have a limited market size, seasonal or trend-based challenges, and a narrow product range. On the other hand, a general shop provides a larger market potential, flexibility and adaptability, diversified revenue streams, and the opportunity for testing and experimentation. The drawbacks are higher competition, less focused marketing, brand identity challenges, and a need for a broader design range. I already have an extensive collection of designs across multiple niches, so I chose to go with a general shop. Over the next week and a half, I proceeded to upload my existing designs from Amazon merch and other platforms onto t-shirts. Seeking to promote my listings, I delved into using Etsy ads. I set a daily budget of $3, hoping to drive more traffic and boost sales. However, the initial results were not as successful as anticipated. After 4 days, which may not be enough, Etsy ads showed a significant number of views and clicks but no orders, leading to an unexpected expenditure of $10.69 on ads. Despite the challenges, I celebrated a milestone on June 28th when I made my first sale. It was a reminder that persistence and determination pay off in the end. Unfortunately, the joy of the first sale was short-lived as my account was suspended on the same day about an hour later. It was devastating, but I immediately filed an appeal, emphasizing my innocence and lack of awareness regarding any violations or account issues. I explained that I was focused on reviewing their policies and guidelines, making sure my business practices aligned with their expectations, and that I remained committed to operating within the rules set out by Etsy. As I eagerly await the outcome of my appeal, I have analyzed the shop's stats since opening on June 16th. With 212 products listed, I received 164 visits and secured 1 order, resulting in a conversion rate of 0.6% and revenue of $19.98. I am still waiting for my appeal, so look up for my follow-up to this video or an update on Instagram. I remain hopeful and determined as Etsy has proven to be a platform of immense potential when paired with the magic of print on demand. Let me know your experience if you have experienced this in the past, or let me know if you have any questions about the process. Thank you for watching.